How to install porcelain floor tile ready to transform your space with a brand new porcelain tile floor. In this complete, in-depth tutorial, we take you through every single step of installing porcelain floor tile, from start to finish, so you can achieve a professional, long-lasting result even if you're doing it yourself for the first time. Porcelain tile is one of the most durable, water-resistant, and low maintenance flooring options available, making it a top choice for kitchens, bathrooms, hallways, and entire homes. But proper installation is key to getting a floor that looks great and lasts for decades. That's exactly what this video will teach you. In this tutorial, you'll learn checkmark how to properly inspect and prepare your subfloor before starting, checkmark how to check for and correct deflection or uneven areas, checkmark the importance of a clean, dry, and structurally sound base, checkmark how to plan your tile layout for the best visual result and minimal cuts, checkmark finding your starting point and establishing reference lines, checkmark mixing thin set mortar to the correct consistency, checkmark proper trowel technique for even mortar coverage, checkmark how to back butter tiles for maximum adhesion, checkmark setting porcelain tiles with staggered joints for strength and style, checkmark using tile spacers for consistent, grout lines, checkmark cutting porcelain tile accurately for edges, corners, and fixtures, checkmark checking level constantly and making adjustments as you work, checkmark allowing proper curing time before walking on or grouting the tile, checkmark choosing and mixing the right grout for your project, checkmark applying grout correctly and cleaning excess residue, checkmark sealing grout lines for long term water resistance and durability, checkmark common mistakes to avoid during porcelain tile installation, checkmark tips for maintaining your porcelain floor after installation, whether you're a complete beginner tackling your first DIY flooring project or a homeowner looking to renovate with confidence. This video gives you everything you need to know to install porcelain floor tile like a professional contractor. We break down each stage clearly so you can follow along at your own pace and avoid costly mistakes. Porcelain tile flooring is an investment in your home's value and durability, and with the right technique, you can achieve a flawless, waterproof, and beautiful finish that stands the test of time. Push pin if you found this tutorial helpful. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more construction, renovation, and home improvement content. Bell turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial.